Goa's drug trade is no longer underground or a secret. It is out in the open, embedded into the very spaces that define the state's identity. This is not just a law and order issue anymore. This is a full blown collapse of deterrence and godfathering of the trade. The question is no longer whether drugs are being sold, it's how this continues so openly and who is failing to stop it, or rather, supporting it.
About 2 weeks ago, a boy dies at a party in Anjuna due to drug overdose. But the government stance on this incident, right when it broke news, was he died of a heart attack. The narrative was already being set even before the post-mortem reports were out. Now, when the Chief Minister was asked what action would be taken, he said action will be taken. A statement even echoed by the Tourism Minister. But on the ground, the silence is louder than these actions.
Everybody knows, including the police, everybody knows Kalangutan freely available drugs आसा. ते दिसा एक भुरग्याचें मरण जालें, बायलो भुरगो शापोरा समवेर इन अ पार्टी तो मेलो, ओव्हरडोज जावन तो मेलो. आनी ताचो पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्ट भायर सरच्या आदी आमच्या MLAन एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की दॅट डेथ वॉज नॉट ड्यू टू ओव्हरडोज ऑफ ड्रग्स म्हणून. ओके, आनी मागीर मेडिकलाचो रिपोर्ट येयलो दॅट इट वॉज ड्यू टू द ओव्हरडोज ऑफ ड्रग्स म्हणून. ते कितें कॉकटेल काय मॉकटेल ड्रग्स कितें तो पिलो आनी ताका लागून हें आयलें म्हणून. हें सगळ्यांनी पयलां आसतलें. तर हांव म्हणटा MLAक विचारता, अरे बाबा तेज्या डेथाची तुवें आदी फुडें सर्टिफिकेटशी दिली तुवें. आर यू ट्रायंग टू हायड अँड से that no drugs are not available in Kalangut constituency in the coastal belt?
And just days earlier, a foreign tourist who came to Goa to experience its culture, its people, and its beauty walks away asking one question: how are drugs being openly sold here in Goa? A question that's been on the minds of many Goans here for decades. So the question is the system okay with drugs being sold in the open? Because if you speak to families who've lost family members, who suffer because of their children, their fathers, their brothers, and their friends suffering due to drug consumption, they will tell you how bad it is. And once again, the response from the government is same. Action will be taken. But on the ground, silence is all that speaks.
आता तो फॉरेनरान तो व्हायरल केला म्हणून आमकां दिसता की काळंगुटान कितें जालें काय म्हणून. सोदींचेच चलता. ड्रग्स हें जें आसा हो काळंगुटान चालूच आहा. आतां गेल्या 2 हप्त्यांक 2 जाणांक रेड मारल्या तेणी, 2 भुरग्यांक. एकल्या कडेन 1.5 लाखाचो मेळलो, दुसरे कडेन आनी कितें 3.5 लाखाचो मेळलो. म्हणजे कितें आहा की हो ड्रग्स जो आसा न्हू ही एक भाजी पालो कहो जाला. ह्यो चालू आहा गोंयान. अशें न्हू की हेची कोणाक खबर ना, पूण फक्त तो फॉरेनरान तो व्हायरल केला देखून एका मातशी एक स्पेस मेळिल्ली आसा.
So who is responsible for all this?
रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज वॉट सी सरकार पयलो एका रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहा. आमी पळयता की पुलीस एका रेडी मारता, तेका मारता, धरता ना न्हू, बट देर इज समवन ऑन टॉप हू इज प्रोटेक्टिंग ऑल दीस ड्रग्स.
Now everyone, right from the ruling to the opposition, is talking about Goa's drug trade. Even voices within the establishment are beginning to show signs of discomfort. The ruling party holds power right from the panchayat to the constituency to the state and even the center. So the question here is who exactly is staying silent and who exactly is the one godfathering this drug trade in the state? Because if everyone sees it, why is no one doing anything about it? And here's the blunt reality. A drug network doesn't thrive in isolation. It needs protection, silence, or a system that either stays silent or worse, backs it.
जर तर इंडियाच्या लेवलार उलोवंक गेले, गोवा इज द ट्युरिझम कॅपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, तशेंच कालांगूट इज ट्युरिझम कॅपिटल ऑफ गोवा. कालांगूटचें नांव जर पिड्यार जाता जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटीक गोंयचें नांव पिड्यार जाता. आनी कालांगुतान अश्यो खबरो जावंक आमी जाल्यार दिवचे ना. एज लोकल आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा. जर तर कांय गोष्टी आमच्या वाटेसून करूंक जाय जाल्यार आमी करपाक सक्षम आसा. एट द सेम टायम जर तर सगळें मेळोन काम करूंक जाय जाल्यार आमी वांगडा काम करचें पडटलें. कित्याक कालांगूटचें नांव दिसान दीस बदनाम जायत आसा. लोक मुद्दाम करून बदनाम करता आणि थोड्यो गोष्टी हातीन येवपाची गरज आसा म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान पर्सनल दखल दिवन लक्षी आमोणकाराक फ्री हँड दिवन कालांगूट साफ करपाची गरज आसा. लोकलांचो जर कितें हेल्प जावो आमी सदांच आसतले.
आमी सरपंचाक पळयता रस्त्यार येयलोलो सिलिंडराक लागून तोय बीजेपीचो. तो भुरगो कोण पळय हायकोर्टान वचून डान्स बार बंद केले तोय बीजेपीचो. आमदार बीजेपीचो. म्हणल्यार फूल प्रशासन आतां जाले कितलीं वर्सां ते बीजेपीचो सरकार आसा आनी कलंगुटान बीजेपी रूल करता जाल्यार ते कोणाक सांगता. म्हणल्यार हितून एक एलिगेशन म्हणून येता की आयदर हे पळय कोण उलयता आनी रस्त्यार देंवता पळय ते बीजेपीचे जाल्यार तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन आसतना हे चालू आहा काय ह्यो एक प्रश्न पडटा. आनी जोरी तर ते आवाज उठयता कित्याक नाका वयर उदीक गेला आतां जोरी तर ते आवाज उठयता आनी तरी पूण प्रशासन आनी होम डिपार्टमेंट इज नॉट एक्टिंग दॅट मिन्स दॅट दीस इज बीइंग टेकन केअर अँड इट इज बीन रन विथ द ब्लेसिंग.
Because without political will or enforcement on the ground, this trade doesn't just exist, it expands. This is no longer an isolated incident. This is about a system being tested and it is failing in full public view. Because police arresting people with a few grams of ganja and LSD here and there is not what's going to solve this issue. Because if this continues, the damage won't be just to Goa's image, it will be to its people.
Nitiksha Gaokar, Subhashish Govekar and Arun Naik for Goa 365.